like for you to please do the following exercise. Look at the problems in front of you. It says, what is the value of? And I would like you to figure this out. What is the value of 6 and 67, 7 and 47, 9 and 903, 4 and 1,416, 5 and 5,890, and so on. Please pause the video and answer these questions. All right, now that you have the answers to these questions, let's go over the answers together. The first one, the 6 and 67 is 60. The 6 is in the tens place, so it makes 60. The 7 and 47 is 7. 9 and 903 is 900. The 9 is in the hundreds place. For B, the 4 and 1,416 is 400. It's in the hundreds place. 5 and 5,890 is 5,000. It's in the thousands place. The 2 and 3,128 is 20. It's in the tens place. All right, and the last one. C, the 4 and 14,000 is 4,000. It's in the thousands place. The 1 is 10,000, and the 3 is in the 300,000